Model, 67-plate VAUXHALL Vivaro L2 long wheelbase, 1.6CDTI 120PS Sportive H1 van, ULEZ compliant Euro 6 long MOT spares OR repair needs turbo starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 174414. MOT, 17 October 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo oil seals have worn. Turbo will need repairing or replacing. The engine still starts and science is perfect. He does correctly. This is just a simple bolt-on turbo replacement job, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Worth putting in the effort to getting this back on the road. It's a beauty. Star-struck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean.